Good afternoon. It's time to talk about QuickFists. Now, we sell a heap of these. They're really handy. They're used in emergency services, the military. They're used to hold shovels, axes, a really cool way of holding things onto your vehicle. So this is what they look like. This is a rubber QuickFist. This is the sort of more standard size, 25mm to 45mm. And you can see the way it works. It's a big block of rubber, and you can open it up. It clips into these little notches here. That's how you get the different sizes. But most people don't realize that to get the smaller size, you can actually squeeze it down. So just pass the camera. So the bigger size is 45mm. That'll clip onto your first clip like that. But if you actually push the inside of that in and put the strap over the top, the smaller size goes all the way down to the bottom there, and that gives you your 25mm clamping range. Now I'll show you how that works. We got this broom, about 25mm, about the size width of my thumb, about 25mm, and I'll whack this in here. And what you need to do is you need to push down on that first, pull down on that. And you can see that it'll lock down. Just wiggle it in, make sure it's in the notch. And you can see that's actually holding. You can come over this way, that's actually holding. Okay? Now the great thing about the rubber is it doesn't damage whatever you're holding, and it actually works really well. We've had shovels on here over corrugations over hundreds of kilometers and haven't had one fall off. So I'll go and put a shovel on. I'll show you with a shovel. Now this is what we usually have on there. Got a yellow shovel for a yellow car. Now the great thing about these is you don't have to unwind any bolts and slide them through. Makes them really quick to put in and take out. Now on a shovel like this, I've set them up so that we're gripping on the sort of the bigger area. But the way to do it is put your shovel in, pull down, find the notch that you want to put it in, and just make sure you bed it in there. You find that's holding. We'll go do this other side. Again, hold that in, find the notch that you want, and just make sure that's in. So now that's held in place. So that's really good. So you'll find that we've done so many corrugations, Cape York, Simpson Desert, and that has always held really well for us. Haven't lost the shovel and haven't damaged the shovel either. Now, the great thing with these is if you need to go dig a hole and take a number 2, they're really quick to get out. So you yank them out like that. Imagine having to wind those little nuts off and try to go this way while you're tensing your arse cheeks because you need to go and nature calls. But QuickFists, these are really popular, really great. These are the genuine QuickFists made in America, easy to install. These are on some shovel brackets that we do for the Rhino rack, but you'll find a heap of uses for QuickFists. So that's how you use them. The bigger settings goes through the hole, the smaller settings, push them through and clip them down. Fantastic little product.